Listen and practice. Listen and practice. Cucumber is the fourth most cultivated vegetable in the world. Cucumber has many qualities. This readily available vegetable has many benefits including body shaping and fat control. Food experts have highlighted 14 important aspects of this cucumber. 1. Eliminates dehydration of the body. Suppose you are somewhere where there is no water at hand, but there is cucumber. Chew a large cucumber. Thirst will be quenched. You will become calmer because 90% of cucumber is water. 2. Internal and external heat absorbers of the body. Sometimes you feel intense heat inside and outside the body. Body starts burning. In this condition, eat a cucumber. Apart from this, if you feel irritation on the skin in the heat of the sun, cut a cucumber and rub it on the skin. You will get guaranteed results. 3. Eliminates toxicity. The water present in cucumber acts like an invisible sponge to remove waste and toxins from our body. Eating cucumber regularly also melts kidney stones. 4. Fills the gap of daily vitamins. Cucumber contains most of the vitamins that our body needs every day. Vitamins A, B and C increase our immunity and energy. The deficiency of these three types of vitamins will be fulfilled by eating cucumber and juice with green vegetables and carrots. 5. Supplier of skin-friendly minerals. Cucumber contains high levels of potassium, magnesium and silicon, which play a special role in skin care. For this, cucumber is used during the bath for skin care. 6. Aids in digestion and weight loss. Cucumbers are high in water and low in calories. As a result, cucumber will act as an ideal tonic for those who want to lose weight. Those who want to lose weight should use more cucumbers in soups and salads. Chewing raw cucumber plays a major role in digestion. Long-term constipation is removed by eating cucumber regularly. 7. Increases eye brightness. As a part of beauty practice, many people cut cucumbers and place them on the eyelids. As the dirt accumulated in the eyelids is removed, it also works to increase the brightness of the eyes. It also works to prevent cataracts due to the abundance of anti-inflammatory elements in the eyes. 8. Prevents cancer by. Cucumber contains 3 Ayurvedic constituents, secosularicinol, lariciresinol, and pyneresinol. These 3 elements are strongly associated with reducing the risk of cancer in various sites, including the uterus, breast, and urinary glands. 9. It plays a role in controlling diabetes, relieves diabetes, lowers cholesterol, and controls blood pressure. 10. Keeps the face clean. Cucumber works great in treating foul-smelling infected gums. Place a sliced cucumber on the tongue and keep it for half a minute. Phytochemicals in cucumbers will destroy the bacteria in your mouth by causing special reactions. Your breath will become alive. 11. Refreshes hair and nails. The mineral silica present in cucumber keeps our hair and nails fresh and strong. Apart from this, sulfur and silica in cucumber helps in hair growth. 12. Relief from gout. Cucumbers are rich in silica. Mixing cucumber juice with carrot juice reduces the level of uric acid in the body. It relieves gout pain. 13. Getting rid of headache. After waking up in the morning, many people hold their heads. The body massages. Cucumbers are rich in B vitamins and sugars. So if you eat a few slices of cucumber before going to sleep, you will not have this problem after waking up in the morning. 14. Keeps kidneys healthy. Cucumber keeps the level of uric acid in the body. It keeps the kidneys healthy and fresh. Cucumber is used as a nutritious vegetable as well as used to cure diseases. Nutrients. Cucumber is a vegetable full of vitamins and minerals. 96% of it is water. Cucumber is a good source of vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A, folic acid, potassium and manganese. Apart from this, riboflavin, pantothenic acid, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, sulfur, silica and vitamin B6 are more abundant. Dietary fiber is available from cucumber. It also contains phytonutrients, cucurbitacins, lignans and flavonoids. Health information. Cucumbers' multivitamins and multiminerals act as natural medicine and protect against vitamin and mineral deficiency problems. Potassium in cucumber helps in controlling blood pressure. Magnesium in cucumber activates blood circulation. Cucumber fiber controls cholesterol levels and cures constipation. Cucumber phytonutrients, lignans reduce the risk of heart disease as well as the risk of uterine and prostate cancer. Medicinal properties. Cucumber contains a lot of water, so it lowers the body temperature and calms the mind. Cucumber acts as a diuretic. Keeps the blood clean by removing harmful and toxic substances accumulated in the body. Cucumber can relieve heartburn, stomach acidity and even gastric. Daily consumption of cucumber juice is beneficial in eczema and gout. It also relieves diabetes to some extent. You will get benefits by making juice of cucumber and carrot together to relieve arthritis pain. Cucumber juice helps in removing kidney and gallbladder stones. Cucumber prevents breakage of fingernails and toenails. Cucumber is useful in tooth and gum disease due to pyorrhea.